Good morning, everyone, and welcome. This is day 23 on the path to $30,000 a month. If you do not know me, my name is Nick, and I'm an entrepreneur. I've been an entrepreneur my whole life. I'm 27 years old. I have about 3 businesses I've had for about 3.5 years, and I want to be very transparent about my ups and downs in business to show people that are already in business or that are aspiring entrepreneurs that want to see the ins and outs of a business. If you want to come along with me on this journey today, we're doing a day in the life every single day. So if you enjoyed this video, subscribe down below. We're doing it every single day until we hit $30,000 a month or $1,000 a day, however you want to look at it. Today we're going to be going over, basically I just got a little notepad here. I use it almost every day. I just don't usually put it in my videos. But this morning I woke up pretty tired and I had to write it out early to figure out what we needed to get done today. So we got to ship out some orders. I got to purchase some envelopes and bubble mailers just because the orders of the bug boats coming in from like day 21 yesterday and the day before, or day 22 yesterday and day 21. And we have to do an FBA shipment of mug boats to bring into the warehouse so we can start getting our sales back up to number 1. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let's get after it. A quick story. I created this product. It's a gag gift for adults. Could be for kids. It's not a big deal, but I sent in 40 of them and they went completely missing, and it was like the only 40 that I had, and I finally got some more back in stock that I'm creating right now. So it's these like pathology like cups with like fake poop in it. And so you could put like a name on it. So I send in a label so people can put their name and date and all that stuff, make it look legit, and then have like a fake poop in it. Super dumb, but thought of the idea, and I'm putting them back on Amazon. So if you guys are interested, I'll probably put these in my TikTok shop too. Not on my decal shop, of course. So my TikTok shop and my Amazon store. So they'll be up there if you want them. So I'll put the link in the bio if you're interested. I gotta show you guys something. Something weird happened yesterday. So, okay, thank you so much for 1,083. Like, that's amazing. Something weird happened though on my my analytics though. I'll show you. Look at the last 48 hours here. It just kind of tanked itself. Like we were averaging, 13, 15, whatever. Got up here. That's great. It's great. And then boom. And then just 3, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 6. Like, I'm not sure what happened. I don't know if I got in trouble or just my videos tanked, or I'm not really sure what I did. I don't have bots or anything, so I'm not sure what YouTube thinks I did. Maybe I'm posting too much. Maybe they don't like that. But if anyone knows the answer to this, that would be great. Thank you. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. This was day 23 on the path to $30,000 a month. If you love this video, please subscribe down below. I put out a video every single day. For some reason, my YouTube account is either like suspended or the algorithm is messing with me, but I'm getting like no views now. My videos just kind of sucky. I put in a lot of work and put these out every day for people to see them. So if you can like the video and try to like fix the algorithm, I don't know what's going on. Anyways, let's break down yesterday's revenue. Let's see what we made yesterday. All right, so eBay, we made $74.53. So actually one of our highest days this month. All right, and for Amazon, we made $419. All right, so our total revenue yesterday came out to $497. All right, guys, so our total revenue this month, we are at $18,404. So that is not bad at all, but if we wanted to hit the 30K mark this month, we need to be at $23,000. So we're hoping that the mug boats pull through and we can get to that 30K mark. Anyways, that is the end of the video. I hope everyone enjoyed. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. The algorithm on YouTube is killing me. But if you really enjoyed it, come subscribe down below, and we will have another video out tomorrow for day 24. So I will see you guys there. Have a great day.